Welcome. Today we will see problem number 4 on Bode plot. GS or G of S is equal to K divided by S into bracket S plus 2 into S plus 10. Determine the value of K for which system omega be marginally stable. Therefore, G of S is equal to K divided by S into bracket S plus 2 into S plus 10. Step 1. Convert into time constant form. Therefore, G of S is equal to K divided by S into bracket 1 plus S by 2 into 2 into 1 plus S by 10 into 10, which is equal to K divided by 20S into bracket 1 plus S by 2 into bracket 1 plus S by 10. Therefore, G of S is equal to 0.05 K divided by S into bracket 1 plus S by 2 into 1 plus S by 10. We will determine the value of K now. Now identify the factors. Let 0.05 K is equal to K dash as it is unknown. Second factor, one pole at origin, that is 1 upon S. Third factor, two simple poles, that is 1 divided by 1 plus S by 2 with T1 is equal to 1 by 2 and omega C1 is equal to 2 radian per second. Second simple pole, 1 divided by 1 plus S by 10 with T2 is equal to 1 by 10 and omega C2 is equal to 10 radian per second. Therefore, we will plot magnitude plot. First factor is K dash. Its that value is unknown. Therefore, starting point is 0.1, end point is infinity. It is always that line is parallel to x-axis. Second, one pole at origin, therefore minus 20 dB. Starting point is 0.1, end point is 2 radian per second. Another simple pole, 1 divided by 1 plus S by 2. It contributes a slope of minus 20 dB. Therefore, minus 20 is equal to minus 40 dB per decade. Starting point is 2, end point is 10 radian per second. Now next, see simple pole, 1 divided by 1 plus S by 10. It contributes a slope of minus 20 dB. Therefore, minus 40 minus 20 is equal to minus 60 dB per decade. Starting point is 10 radian per second. End point is infinity. Now phase angle plot. Now resultant phase angle directly I have written phi is equal to minus 90 degree minus tan inverse of omega T1 minus tan inverse of omega T2. T1, T2 values were known. T1 is equal to 1 by 2, T2 is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, for different values of omega, we are getting these different values of phi. Therefore, omega is equal to 0.1, angle is minus 93, 1, minus 122, for omega is equal to 2, minus 146, for 5, minus 184, for 10, minus 231, for 20, minus 237, for infinity, minus 270. Therefore, this is the different angles. Now we will plot first of all phase angle plot, and then we will plot magnitude plot, and then we will determine value of K. Now just see here, scale on y-axis 1 cm is equal to 20 dB, is at 1 cm is equal to 20 dB and 1 cm is equal to 30 degree because our angles are starting from below minus 90. Therefore, minus 90 minus 120 minus 150 minus 180 minus 210 minus 240 minus 270. Therefore, at omega is equal to 0.1. Always remember x-axis starts from 0.1, 0.1, 1, 10, 100, 1000 like this. Therefore, at 0.1 minus 93, at 1 minus 122, at omega is equal to 2 minus 146, at omega is equal to somewhere here 5 minus 184, at omega is equal to 10 minus 233 and omega is equal to infinity minus whatever omega is equal to 20 minus 237. Therefore, locate these points at different values of omega and join these points by smooth curve. Therefore, this is our phase angle plot. Now, this 0 dB line is there. 0 dB line is horizontal line and omega is equal to 1 like this. Therefore, these two lines intersects at this point. Therefore, from this is value of K we are not knowing. Therefore, first of all will plot a resultant graph without k, and then we will plot with k. Therefore, first slope is minus 20, minus it is from 0 to 2. Therefore, draw a line directly from this point, minus 20 dB per decade. Then from 2 to 10, slope is minus 40, 2 to 10, slope is minus 40, and 10 to up to infinity, slope is minus 40, because see that 2 to 10 and 10 to infinity, 0.1 to 2, like this. Therefore, what we have to do, wherever this line, now this phase angle plot cuts this minus 180 degree line this at this point, shift this point to the 0 dB line. Now from this point where omega PC is equal to omega GC or omega GC is equal to omega PC, from this point now draw a plot parallel to this our plot without k. Therefore, draw this from 2 to 10, slope is minus 40, 10 to infinity, slope is minus 60, draw a line parallel to this, and from point 1 to 2, slope is up to point 1 to 2, slope is minus 20. Therefore, draw a parallel line to this line, therefore this line like this. Now this, when you have omega PC is equal to omega GC, first plot omega PC on minus 180 degree line, draw straight line through vertically, we have plotted like this vertically. It will intersect at 0 dB line. To have omega PC is equal to omega GC, shift point A to B so that it will be on 0 dB line. Therefore, what is 0, point A to B, we have to shift on 0 dB line. At point B, that is omega GC, gain or slope line must intersect at 0 dB line. This shift from A to B is equal to AB is equal to 22 dB upward. Therefore, from this to this distance is 22 dB. Hence, positive, that is 20 log of k dash to the base 10. Therefore, is equal to 22. Therefore, k dash is equal to 12.58. But k dash is equal to 0.05 k. Therefore, k is equal to 12.58. Therefore, 0.05. Therefore, k is equal to 251.78. K is equal to 251.78. We have got this value. Thank you very much. We will stop here. Another two problems are there. We will see in the next lecture.